This video shows more examples in differentiating hyperbolic functions. You are in differential calculus. What are hyperbolic functions? These are similar to trigonometric functions, although they are referred from hyperbola instead of a circle. The two main functions are also defined with exponential equations. Hyperbolic signs given as half of e raised to x minus e raised to negative x. E is Euler's number. Hyperbolic cosine looks very similar with the previous function, with just a different operator. Hyperbolic cosine is half of the summation of e raised to x and e raised to negative x. The other functions are based on trigonometric identities, such as hyperbolic tangent, which is taken as hyperbolic sine over hyperbolic cosine. This is also as the reciprocal of hyperbolic cotangent. Then hyperbolic cotangent is hyperbolic cosine over hyperbolic sine, and also 1 over hyperbolic tangent. The other two functions are hyperbolic secant, which is the same as the reciprocal of hyperbolic cosine, and hyperbolic cosecant, which is also equated to the reciprocal of hyperbolic sine. The third example in the series includes y of e raised to negative x with hyperbolic cosine of x. Taking the derivative, it should be noted that there are two terms on the right, so we use product rule, and that is the first term with the derivative of the second term plus the second term multiplied by the derivative of the first. E raised to negative x multiplied by the derivative of hyperbolic cosine of x, then add the hyperbolic cosine multiplied by the derivative of e raised to negative x. From what was just discussed, copy e raised to negative x and attach the derivative of cosine x, which is hyperbolic sine of x, with dx of dx from chain rule. Add to this the second term, starting with hyperbolic cosine of x. Then place the derivative of e raised to negative x, which is still e raised to negative x. Also attach chain rule, which is d upon dx of negative x. Dx over dx is 1, and d of negative x over dx is negative 1. So dy over dx is e raised to negative x times hyperbolic sine of x minus e raised to negative x with hyperbolic cosine of x. The fourth example includes the function y is equal to arctangent of hyperbolic sine of x. Check the right expression carefully and note that this is just a single term. From the previous transcendental derivatives, arctangent has 1 over 1 plus u squared. Then through chain rule, attach du over du. From this pattern, it would be easier to break down the parameters. First is u, which is solved as hyperbolic sine of x. Then its derivative is hyperbolic cosine with chain rules dx over dx. The last part is simplified as 1, creating du over dx as hyperbolic cosine of x. Now all we needed to do is to substitute parameters to the format, creating 1 over 1 plus the square of hyperbolic sine. Then attach chain rule as hyperbolic cosine of x. Simplifying the term, we get hyperbolic cosine of x over 1 plus hyperbolic sine squared of x. From the identity of cosine squared minus sine squared as equal to 1, the denominator is simplified and hyperbolic cosines can be reduced, making dy over dx as 1 over hyperbolic cosine of x. This answer can be considered along with another conversion, which is hyperbolic secant x.